Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about what we're seeing here. And what I'm talking about is the striping. Now this was done by the homeowner a couple of years ago, and probably when it was done it looked pretty good, but this is the way it dirties back up. So I want to talk to you just a little bit about why that does that, and then I'm going to fire the machine up and we're going to do a demonstration of the difference between a wand technique and a surface scrubber, and why the surface scrubber does such a good job and makes it look better, stay cleaner longer, things like that. But the first thing I want to explain is when you're cleaning with a standard wand, you're utilizing a pendulum motion. And what I mean is as you swing, it swings like a pendulum. So the pendulum can create an issue even though it looks clean on the surface, but it's not clean all the way across. Now let me show you what I mean. So as I'm cleaning, I'm going like this, and I'm stepping and going like this. Now what happens is this is the way you get cleaning. You get clean, 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 clean. Clean, 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 clean. In other words, on the downward stroke, as the tip gets closer to the concrete, you're getting more cleaning than as it goes away. So the only way really to do it is if you could keep the tip at the exact same level of the concrete at all points in time, and then move just very, very, very smallly forward, you would get a pretty good clean. I'm going to demonstrate that pendulum motion, and then I'm going to hook up to the surface scrubber, and I'm going to run the surface scrubber, and we'll look at the way the surface scrubber is designed and the reason why it does so well. Okay, so the surface scrubber is designed specifically for concrete, nothing else. Do not use it on a roof or anything like that. What it is a bar with two jets. Jets are just very similar to the wand jets, but they stay at the exact same spacing from the concrete. So no matter where you're at, it's always going to be the exact same distance, and it spins like that. So let's look at the difference in the two. Now that was a little bit more for dramatic effect, but as you can tell, the place where the tip was the closest is cleanest, and as you trail off, see there's still dirt left, and there's still dirt left. So as you trail off, and if you don't go exactly the same amount, you get a striping here. So even if you went back over this and cleaned it up, this is still going to be, even though it's not noticeable, a little bit more dirty, and as it dirties up, this is going to dirty up faster than this, and that gets you your striping. So that's where the striping comes from. So if we change, to a surface scrubber, let's clean that off. See how that spins? Oh, let's clean it off. Now, notice that all the way across is the exact same level of clean, which means this is going to dirty up the exact same amount as it dirties up. So it's not going to dirty up with stripes or anything like that. So that's one of the reasons why I use the surface scrubber on 99% of my concrete, because I want it to be even. I want it to dirty up evenly. I don't want to make the striping or anything like that. We're going to take care of striping for these folks today, get them ready for whatever they need, and make it look good. But I just wanted you to know exactly the reason why we use surface scrubber versus a wand and how it affects things. Anyway, Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing, 615-405-8731.